Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to set up the Amazon Connect real-time chat translation, and it is going to be a custom solution. And in this solution, we're going to utilize few AWS services. So I already have published one article on this, so you also can go through those all the steps, and that link you will get it from description. So in this article, I already have mentioned why we need the Amazon Connect chat translation and what exact services we are going to utilize in this particular solution. So the first one is Amazon Connect, second one is Lambda, then Translate, then Comprehend, DynamoDB, and S3. But Comprehend and DynamoDB are optional here. And in this particular solution, we are utilizing Python. If you scroll down to this step-by-step section, in this particular section, you will get the CloudFormation template that you can directly utilize here. So I will just copy this text, this template, and I'll create one file with YAML. Next step will be CloudFormation. Let me just go for CloudFormation here and just come to CloudFormation section and create a new stack and upload your template. Give a name, scroll down and go for next and select submit. So my resources are deployed here. Let me just go for resources. And here you can see the Lambda function, the DynamoDB table, and IAM roles are deployed. And if I go for outputs, here also you can see my Lambda function ERN, which is deployed. And you can see my Lambda function is deployed. So let's head over to our article. So we know that our Lambda function and IAM roles and DynamoDB will is configured and successfully deployed. So next step is associate the Lambda function with Amazon Connect. So let's go for Amazon Connect, which is renamed to Amazon Connect Customer right now. Choose your contact center, go for flows, head over to Lambda section. Once you're in the AWS Lambda section, make sure that use case should be custom processor Lambda and Lambda function, which Lambda function that is deployed through our CloudFormation template. Select the add Lambda function. And the next step is configure your contact flow. And here you need to keep in mind that you are going to work with set recording and analytics and processing behavior block, which controls how messages are intercepted and processed. So make sure that you are utilizing it. So I will directly go for my contact center. Go for flows. create flow. I already have one contact flow that I'm going to utilize here. At beginning, I kept the logging behavior block, and the second one is set recording and processing behavior. So as you know, set logging behavior is for contact flow logs. Second one is set recording behavior, where I kept the action as set message processor, and challenge is going to be chat. And I have selected the enable processing option. And the function ARN should be the Lambda function that we have created. And once you are done, just go for confirm. Next is a play prompt. If it is successful, hello, please wait while I connect you to an agent. It's a kind of welcome prompt for customer. Then the customer queue flow. So we have not created anything. So for now, I'm going with the default one right now. And the working queue is going to be the queue that is going to handle your chat. So I will go with the basic queue for now. And then the chat should be transfer to the queue. So I'm going to utilize the transfer to queue block here. And error, it is something the error handling. It's a simple prompt that I kept for error handling. Once you're done, just go for name and give a name and give a name similar like this and go for publish. So to check this functionality, let's go for our test chat option. Go for test settings and let's put our contact flow there. So I will just go and copy our contact flow name. I'll come back. I'll put that contact flow name here and go for apply. I got the chat and I'm also connected. So from customer N, I'm going to put some messages. And here you can see the first part is non-English and it got translated to English version. How can help you? Similarly, from customer end, you can see the first part is the non-English and the second one is English part, which is a translated version. Similarly, let me just reply from agent end as well. And same behavior you also can see here. The first part is the English version and it got translated to the non-English version and also for customer as well. Let's go back to our article. So here you also can do some enhancement like sensitive data redaction during translation, professional message formatting with LLM, storing richer language preference as well. Once you're done with the testing, you also can clean the CloudFormation stack with deleting the stack. For now, it is not needed for me, so I will keep that configuration in my environment. But for you, you can just go to the stack and simply select the delete stack. And in similar behavior, you need to come back to event section and need to keep monitoring like if the stack is deleted properly or not. If you're getting any error, make sure that you're fixing it and deleting the stack. So in that way, all the resources which are created during this stack deployment, all things will be removed. That's it for today. Thank you.